How to set up bill payments using Discover Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to pay your bills easily, well here is how to set up bill payments with Discover Bank Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in, you can simply navigate to the payments and transfer section. And there you simply have to click Bill Pay and then select Add a Payee to enter the company or person you want to pay. And there you simply have to enter the payee details like name, account, number, and billing address, and then click Save Payee. And once you're done with it, you simply have to choose the payment amount and the date you want it to be sent. And after that, simply select the Discover account to fund the payment and review all the details carefully. And once you're done with it, you can just click submit payment and your bill will be scheduled automatically. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.